Hi there, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to fix iPhone calls going to voicemail. Now first of all you need to do is to click on this assistive touch. Just click on that and go to control center. Now the focus mode over here, make sure this is actually disabled. So when you click over, you can see the focus mode do not disturb is on. If this is on, you're likely going to get your voice or your calls going into your voicemail. So make sure this is disabled. Once this is disabled, you should be getting your calls coming through. Now the other option here is to go to settings. When you click on settings, scroll down to apps, click on apps, and then scroll down until you see the phone icon. So the phone icon is here. Just click and open that. And then what you need to do is that scroll down until you see calls and then go to call forwarding. When you go to call forwarding, make sure this is disabled. So you can see here, if this is enabled, you can see there will be a number forwarded to. There could be a number set over here. So at the moment I've not set any number and I'm going to disable this. If this is enabled and a number is there, you can actually disable this. So these two options, when you're able to set up these two options, then your number or your calls will not go into voicemail. When people call, your calls will go through. So this is something I've experienced and I decided to make a video about it. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know at the comment section and don't forget to subscribe for more video. Bye bye.